Alright guys, got me a $200,000 jackpot. Enter the $5 million Vegas challenge, second challenge promotion. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Watch me go down in flames. I have real bad luck with these things. 34, 7, 20, 10, and 1. Alright, those are my winning numbers. Let's see. 36, 9, 6, 25, and 17. Nope. Next row. 38. Oh, winner, chicken dinner. Let's see what we got here. We'll leave that one for the end. 12. 28. Nope. 23. Nope. 14. Nope. 11. Nope. 35. Nope. 24. Nope. 29. Nope. 31. Nope. 18. Nope. 21. Nope. 39. Nope. 40. Blah. I usually just break even. If I end up winning, I end up breaking even. So let's see what this winner chicken dinner is. Ah, told you. $5. What can I get for $5? Alright. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you guys on the flip side.